Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of your Instagram messages icon not showing up. So our first solution is to open up our phone settings and search for apps. After that, just press the first option that says apps and press apps again. And then you need to look for the Instagram app. Then you need to press clear data and clear cache. And that's how you do the first solution. If it still doesn't work for you after that, then I'm going to show you another method. So go back to your Instagram app and then press the three bars on the upper right and then press settings. That's going to take you to your settings and then press the search bar and search for messages. And click the second option that says messages and then change both of those settings, your followers on Instagram and the others on Instagram, change those to message requests. So that basically allows anyone to send you message requests. Then go back to your settings and search for apps again, and then press the first option. That's going to take you to your apps. Then press apps again. We're going to do the same thing as last time and press Instagram, but this time we're only going to clear cache. So don't clear data, just clear cache and then clear all the open apps on your phone. Then open Instagram again and you should see messages icon after that. If it still doesn't show up, then I have a third solution for you. So all we have to do is just go into the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. We're just going to make sure that there isn't an app update for it. So if it says update instead of open in green, that means you need to update your app and maybe that's causing the problem. So just update it if it says update. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you found it useful and I'll see you in the next one.